How to get gems in Brawl Stars. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get the gems in Brawl Stars. So you can simply download the Brawl Stars game either on your PC or your Android device or any mobile phone as well. So for that, if you're using a phone, just go on the Google Play Store, log into your Google account. On the top search bar, you need to search for Brawl Stars and then you will see many options right here. Search for the game that you're searching and you can simply install it right there. Now, if you want to buy any gems, then how can you buy it? When you log in, you will see an information and on screen like this. So what you need to do for buying gems are they're simply obtained by buying them with real money through in-app or Supercell store purchases, by collecting them in the Brawl Pass, or by getting points in the Supercell store for purchases and completing quests. So you can just go on your application and when you go on the gems option right there, you can simply buy it, but you need to add the real money to buy it by going on the store purchases like Supercell and other applications. So that's how you can buy it by your real money and use the gems for free. Just add the donation and tap on the claim option after choosing the gems that you want to, and then you are done. You have already chosen your gems and you can simply use it. So that's how you can do it. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below.